Hi, I am Sachin Mhatre. In this presentation, I will demo you how to configure tenant-specific mappings for CLM ITSM integration. I will talk about why tenant-specific mappings, how to configure tenant-specific mappings, and a demo of provisioning using the tenant-specific mappings. In case user has multiple tenants in the CLM applications and he wants to use change integration for those tenants but using different change templates. In this case, user can use the tenant specific mappings provided for ITSM integration. Let me show you how to configure tenant specific mappings. I am in Cloud Administration Console, logged in as a cloud admin into Workspace Configuration, ITSM configuration. In the ITSM provider form, whatever mappings you see are the default mappings which are applicable to all the tenants. To create tenant specific mappings, go to Workspace, Tenants. In the tenants, you will be able to see all the tenant lists. Select the tenant. There is an icon which says Manage Change Policy Mappings. After you select the tenant, click on that icon. This screen provides you option to configure the change template mapping for the day 1 and day 2 operation against the change policy that are available. You can also create template mappings for operator actions which will be different than the default change template mappings. So let me create a template mapping for the change approval required change policy. Out of the box, to this change policy, the template that is mapped is cloud change approval required. So that is what is set as a default. Let me select a custom change template, again approval required. Save. You can similarly configure for the operator action. So we have successfully configured a tenant specific mapping. Let me demo you how it works during SOI provisioning. I am logged in as a end user into end user portal. Go to catalog. The change policy that I have changed for the tenant Ultros LLC is applied to this requestable offering. So I will go and submit a request for manual approval arrow. Add to cart. My service request is created and it is in change approval pending state. Let's go to the ITSM server. I'm logged in as change approver on corporate ITSM server. As you can see, a new change request is created and it is created using the custom change cloud change approval required template. This is the template name. Similarly, you can go and configure the change template mappings for the operator actions. Any change template mapping that you create in the tenant specific form have preference over the default mappings. So the first preference will be given to the tenant specific mappings. This is the default mapping. That's all for the demo. Thank you.